Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the Pepe update. So I'm going to give you a very quick comment on Pepe. Yesterday we had the downtrend here that was pretty much broken. You went to the upside and you haven't really back tested. All you did is pretty much shoot all the way to the upside and took a lot of stop losses. I'm pretty sure about that. Now the thing is that once this trend line was broken, I'm going to remove you and I'm going to tell you one thing that is definitely happening here, and that's going to be this one little bit of a break and a retest. Now do you see that you have a mini descending broadening wedge here? Okay, this is a bullish pattern, by the way. The way you move to the sideways just like that is called as a descending broadening wedge. What I can do is just do a quick Google for you and to show you the descending broadening wedge here, and you can see that this is how things look like, okay, on Google. So you have lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and then you move down like this. I don't know if this image is very clear. I'm just going to go on like that and show you one of the image that can be much more visible. This one, perhaps. This is how the descending broadening wedge looks like. So you're going down like this, and actually this is not a descending, this is a right angle, so it's pretty much a very long name. Right angle descending broadening wedge right there. Yes, so this one I want to show you right over here, or probably something like this. Okay, this is the best one. Okay, this is the best case. So you have the support that is going down and declining, and you got the resistance that is a very straight line, so it's a right angle, right, creating that right angle things, and then you break above and then you move to the upside. So that's pretty much what you have. You're moving down like this and you break above to the upside. That's how the descending broadening wedge. So the next technical target you're looking for Pepe is going to be from there to there, and we are looking for a move to the upside, and this is going to be an incredible pricing appreciation of 17%. Okay, so do try to get 17%. I would actually recommend a stop at 39.95 just to avoid any stop loss hunt. Yeah, I think that's pretty much a good stop loss at the moment, because if you do end up coming down here, it doesn't mean you're going to be bearish, but it means that you invalidate the pattern and the retest doesn't really get successful. And that's it for the quick video. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.